I feel butterfly and me to blood clot. I swear.
Just tell her to her face now, bro. See her here. And she will trust me, she will really love that. It would mean the world to her, bro. Jeffy.
You don't stop calling me son, brother.
Talk, bro. Talk to my out and stop them things, bro. Talk, my out.
Bro, me not done talk on the media already. Dog.
No, man, but talk it to her face, bro. You see.
Right, don't just come back in the camera and start this madness. Dog.
Alright, then if you come back, tell me to come back, Jaden. Come back.
Mike, we like loving a dog. Yeah, we love loving a my out. We just not like the fake
It's a beautiful thing. Love is a beautiful thing.
Yes.
Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm
feeling? I just not take my
feeling?
weight name. I not take my first youth for no joking thing, dog.
No, we're not taking the joke, yeah, man.
That's serious something, bro.
Not taking the joke, yeah,
I
man.
believe that too. So, no think in the future on that try again? Like we get another one?
Anyways, Jabba, so how is your Sunday going? No good.
Jawas, let's bright up the Sunday.
So, remember she have a son named Ice, so if you get one other named Frost. This one dedicated to our lovers on the screen. My
No, we
band.
can't listen to them people. I mean, now
Yo. This goes a way back. Listen.
15 years ago.
I found love in you,
Guys, me now brush with us and laugh because Jabba's them too funny.
and I've learned to love me too.
Come on, chat. Some red art in the chat. This is love. This is the moment that we have to have.
Never have I felt
Some red art in the chat.
that could be all that.
Everybody chat. Red art. Red art. Red art. Yes.
It's like our hearts have intertwined into the
Look in the chat, figure. Look in the chat, Ivan.
Jawas!
This is why I love you. Ooh, this is why I love
I don't know if we make things complicated, so brother. I
Oh,
can't
oh.
It is not complicated. The last
You
time.
want to make it complicated?
She gonna go and cry.
I don't
She gonna
start,
cry,
no,
bro.
no, no,
Her eye full of water.
Full of water,
Natural.
full of ice.
Her eye full of water. Well, figure it out. That good thing you come and you make it known this morning, bro. And trust me, bro. We the people, not only me, we appreciate it.
You see, it's a big man step I take a while ago when I apologize. It's a big man step. I
Oh,
want
man,
to
me owe her that much, man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
why
are
that
that
much?
much true.
Yeah, man, I order for apologize for two. So stop talking, my youth.
No answer your question, I say yes.
So Vani, do you accept that apology?
Huh?
Do you accept that apology?
Yeah.
Lord God.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.
Ah, blood clot me, I feel butterfly on me. I look how my love life mash up. So where do we go from here? Huh?
Because we're definitely getting somewhere now.
We getting somewhere.
Lisa, I truly love laughing. Lisa, thank you.
I'm like, I want to come out in a white today. Trust me. It's pure. It's pure.
Vanya, come out in a white. Vanya, listen to me. Are you?
But from 7 o'clock, me over here in a Jabas. Me been a van my wife.
Vanya, I system.
Yeah, so she see in the white and she put on the white because today was going to be a good day.
Yes. And look how Vanya do for herself. And look how he do for himself too. You see that, Jabas?
I always do my makeup.
I'm reach a foot, man. Yo. Alright, so
So,
if
follow
I'm
like
black,
Peter.
if I'm black, I'm back one another, follow back one another now. We now want no grudge in our heart. We are big people.
Yeah, we are big people, man. That's it.
So Vani, and do the unblocking because you do black.
Who black?
You black, figure it out.
Well,
But it's a lie, figure it out.
What?
You tell
Why
yourself
you?
black,
Bro,
Tell us the girl
stop
black
mix
it.
more than the foolishness, now, dog.
Man, you block him, oh God, man. I'm blocking him, man.
Let me start with something, man. You know,
You know, I don't know
you
how to make set me up some my time for.
Oh,
Me,
thank you, baby.
wait, you want it? If no set up in a like you like, let's set up here.
Now ask you. I best position ever in our life.
Yo. What do you mean by that, Jabas?
This position that we're in right now.
I know we unite, at them unite.
Mm-hmm.
Can't look in the eyes and I know say love is true, man. Just look in the eye and you can see the love in them eyes. You can see love in the tone of eye. You can't watch it, you can't go on, but you see eyes never tell a lie.
Never tell a lie, father. Always remember that. I will never put on a gift on your eye.
Wait, friends, don't care no dog.
So figure it out, me Vanny, me figure it out.
Again?
Bye. Karen, thank you, baby.
Okay, you don't cry now. Look for your slimmers, Vanny. Look for your slimmers. Yes, girl.
Yeah, I swear to God, Jawas, even on a regular day, Jawas do that. So I don't want to feel like, you know? Jawas no way, man.
I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song, looking how you know it from as they sing it. I said, you look good out no makeup, no lashes, different from
Alice Andy, I can't forgive me now. Alice Andy, I can't forgive me now.
Lord God. I don't give me gift now. No, see me I do something good. Give me gift now.
I can't forgive me now, Alice Andy.
No, I'm lying. I did win last night and Jaden Jawas vex and unfollow me.
No, you vex
Nobody
and
come flip no script, yes, darling.
Yeah, no,
Nobody
bro.
come flip no script, yeah.
Brother, we did in the league until the cheat and use Egnima.
Me say nobody come flip no script, yeah, so.
No flip, no script, darling. I love
you
where I
unfollow
do
me.
that, so. I love where I do that, so, darling. Nobody flip, no
And
script.
if I don't love me, I deal with you.
Yeah,
Oh,
man.
the greatest thing, church, she said she accept it. And you know, Vanna normally accept things so easy.
Jabas, the first step them take, I dip on screen and now move.
I know how me reach a 4.
Let's see what we do.
Thanks to you for that chat. You hold on if I want to go big up.
I see the look on your face, I see you running. I see you looking for someone to scoop you right off your feet. You wanna ride a ride, you wanna go on dates, you wanna bite the car and get flowers. Someone to talk for hours, wash your back while I sit in the shower. Someone to tell you you're beautiful, someone to tell you
You need it.
someone to say I love you every day. Nobody
Oh, blood clot. No, son. If you like a me love, no, son, the blood clot. This I love, now go back one. If you like a me love, no, sir. I'm me alone, I feel it.
So,
Yeah. Talk, man, Vanny, talk, man. Nobody watch who cuss you. And that we are doing right now. The devil send somebody to come distract you. But that now gonna work over here.
so we have one question. Just one question. Just one question.
Ask the
You just
question.
want,
Let it out.
you just want to know if when me did I say my baby I did for him if I like me that time. I just that I only thing we just want.
Yes, brother.
You know.
Wait, no answer yet. No answer yet. Wait till sister girl come back.
No.
Wait. Sister girl come back and wait.
Me talk in my story time this morning, man. I say I
Wait,
never my youth
well, I know.
because
Jabba, them a talk
circumstances.
about. And she said, fool
Yeah,
white
but
that.
yeah.
I say I never my youth because I did vex. But we know the truth side of mine. I can't deny it.
Unlock your stay for less with app exclusive prices. Download the free Booking.com app today. New Delhi Intense.
Wrong for that, man. I apologize. I fuck with me, though.
I need you, boo. I gotta see you, boo. And the hearts all over the world tonight. Said the hearts all over the world tonight. I need you, boo. I gotta see you, boo. And the hearts all over the world tonight. Said the hearts all over the world tonight.
Nobody.
Alright, Jabba, she want to talk now.
Well, I guess we can stop cussing now because I just that the part that the only part me did always want to get clear. Because when we talk, it just hurt for no say, yeah, one girl fuck up and she do what she do and him do what him do. Whatever, but it just hurt for no say you actually like say other you they are the father for your baby and him just keep on and say no when you know deep down and you know him know. And then it's like when I just want the truth to come out, him just constantly put you under the bus and said no. So then it make it look like me. And you know the people that hate me, so it make it look like me delusional or a lie me a tell or I want back somebody. So that's why I behave the way I behave and come class all the while and bring them. So I think that good now. When I say I never ever have a problem with you if you ever come bring it down for no other reason. It was just always on that the topic. That's why I always say you and me know why me bring you down. We're just gonna bring you down for whatever reason. So like how you confirm and that good, I guess that good.
We love this. All she needed was closure. And she got in it.
But we can't even study them.
Not that, bro. I tried to chat to Ivan enough time, bro, but Ivan is just complicated and I can't manage the problem, bro.
Oh,
But
God.
up to now, me are 25 years old now, and I still think about that baby there. Every time I look for Missouri, and that baby there, the first thing come to me. So in case you feel like me not have no heart, or me heartless, not a day in a pass, I'm not think about that. My mama tell her that. And that's the truth, man. But the baby did there. I would have did it. As much as all my dad tell us I not for me and this and that, I know damn well I did mine. Just that said that out of frustration, but bad to bad, my dad did it. Might don't stop on the fucking dog. You know that's why I can't roll on no sometime, my youth. I go left on the stop and them doing
The
and
guy
that.
stop if I feel how we feel, figure.
Sure.
The guy stop if I cry, I get emotional, you. You think we are not emotional right now, brother? Just leave me alone and fix what you have to fix here.
Jabba, did you tell us that me still have me
Your feelings for him.
Feelings, Steve. Yeah, man, you need to tell me, Vanny.
no, me still have the what you call it?
Don't tell me. It ashes.
When you burn the baby, you have it in one
Ashes. Yeah, we know.
Anytime you get the chance, darling, you share it in a two. Make him keep peace, you keep peace.
Anytime I get your papers.
Them a one box.
Oh.
My dad for go and I tore away. So what name that? They put the ashes to rest.
Yes. I like this.
Oh God, at least we don't get ashes. We don't get none.
But me know all of them things, them man. She don't know about. Me do my research, I know the whole of them things. Them. I been know say she have the ashes before she come talk.
So why when me did call you and tell us that me lose the baby, you end up in a one space like that?
Got me the dirt, I guess. Like, don't forget, remember me did a love thing me did I deal with Navani. I never no prank thing, you know. I did love thing, yeah. So when the little vibes are going on something, I remember said that S name there, call me and tell me say, you get ready for the youth there and you try pin it for me. Me no want call no name.
Don't call her name.
You see me? So when you hear that now, you see she and the S person apart, you know me automatically I believe say that I go on. Because she never tell me. Or somebody else tell me. Or after she come tell me. She never tell me say she did pregnant. Or somebody else come give me news.
He hot.
And yeah, me tell you all of them things there, but that don't mean me never did I go be a father. From Ochi days we sit down we a chat about pitney. I just did vex.
No, what happened is me running from Ochi, so my mother never have nothing to do with me. The one friend of me did have the S. She not even did stay in one place. She torn from with be a man different yard. When me realized I'm pregnant, I end up go back at Ochi to stay with one of my friend. They have this guy named Gary, which I'm a neighbor. He used to take care of me. So I basically never have nobody. And that's why I'm opening up so much on social media, because just like how you have TikTok, when we have a TikTok family, you know, they popular on Facebook. So we have a whole Facebook family. And after me, I go through my stress and I do everything by myself. That's when social media make me feel like, yeah, I have a family where I have your back. And I suddenly start to feel comfortable. But I guess because of so much stress and a weeks me not eating, I have a friend, a family, me can't call my mother weeks. I first pregnancy, me go through, me not eat for 2 weeks. Me can't God. Me remember one time I go hospital and forget some pill for help to make the baby develop, and I couldn't even did buy them and something. And my friend when named Gary, well, I never forgot Gary. I mean, my friend up to the day. Gary when next door used to help me and take care of me. And because I stress or something, me end up lose the baby. And I want to tell you, say, when my water burst, when I lose the baby, when I live in I watch it far up. Now one place where I have to walk go way up the road for go bus stop. And when my water break, I never have nobody to pick me up. Gary gonna work. I literally have to walk out of my yard with all of the water drain out till me dry. I have to walk down one bus stop. And when I walk at the bus stop, I still never have no money for pay a taxi fare, for stop taxi, for tell them, say, hey, I forgot hospital. And when I reach out at the bus stop, and for almost reach at the security, the second, I'm living in a residential area, I see Gary come from work, and Gary see me.
Hey, Gary, stop calling.
No, I don't know, but Gary see me and carry me to the hospital. That time when we go hospital, my water done dry out already. Baby done dead already. They just insert pill for the push out. I want to tell you, so when we there at the hospital, my mother did that for it. My mother could come look for me. We don't have no friend to come look for me at the hospital. The S word, she did that town. I basically never have nobody. I have to go through everything by myself. And then when we call you, when they watch it, you hang up on me. And then now, doing everything while going, I take a picture and send go get S for sure so the baby then, and not even 2 weeks. We're still in the hospital, you know, when she exposed and leaked the picture. And then when the picture leaked now and everybody, you know, people will hate me start circulate the baby picture all over social media. That's when I think you did try one contact me. I block out everybody. I just block out everybody. And from that, I say, you know what? Fuck this. Because what people say Vani and think say Vani, oh Vani used to love sell her pum pum and Vani used to sell her body. And all of them something after me lose the baby. I'm saying, no, I just not give a fuck. I just start maybe start work at club, start a certain job. We just not give a fuck. I just start the me. Just let it go. So when people say Vani and people say, oh, so Vani still I don't really know people's story and know people. But now I blame say because a baby when me lose me be but probably when you think about she don't give a fuck about the world and she don't care. After that, I never have nobody in my circle. And that's why when sometimes when I see her and I say, oh, she deal with her mother so she can talk to her mother. Yeah, because me still carry vengeance for she took. I remember when we did pregnant, not even she did them beside of me either. You know what I'm saying?
Mrs. M, thanks for the Phoenix, darling.
But that's
No,
like,
Clark, number one again. Catch me up, Jaden. Thank you, darling. But watch out now. You see like how we there up on the camera. I tell you, if me I just put it out there. You see if you want to come next week or next month, come bring me down. I say you go, but here we go on. Me owe you a big apology. Cause me contribute for help you to lose that pitney there. Cause you see if me enough time I think about it, you know, if me they just dead,
Mrs. M, beg us
the
something.
baby they would have born. You see what I say? So me just apologize right to say in your face and tell you say, watch you now, girl. Me sorry for make you lose your first child and go through all of that. You see me? Yeah. As much as how me did hurt, me should have been a man and make sure say yo that baby they born healthy. Alright.
Probably sorry.
Me see you post it 2 days ago and I tell you say cold bump run pa my body that my ball. I say blood clot.
a story me always talk about. Me never me talk about my story every time.
So as the message chat, me can't tap this girl from this me, you know. She have a reason, you know, but
Let me never come out and say there is something. There is something. Me tell you, I say there is something why she always go at you. And I just talk she want that. There is something. Me tell her, man. So she cut you.
yeah,
She cut you away beer. Me tell you.
She knows attack people, so cause she want attack people. So.
the baby will lose, man.
This is deep, you know. We might troll around the good job, but this is very deep.
But like it yesterday, me did deal with her kind of Russian, man. You see it, why she didn't have the pregnancy and something that just because me I be petty over the whole situation. I know them look weird. So me just never want to have nothing to do with it.
Like,
You know what bond me to? Me and this girl are sit down and talk and plan. You see it? So we are gonna have baby start a future. So when the first baby come in, I picture me ears and on my own and this man own and yeah bro, me get corrupt dog.
Plus him did young.
Plus me did young bro. Me I talk
Very
to this
young,
girl
bro.
from me about 16.
don't go far back, way back that, man.
I know me at 25, so you go to that big boy what 10, 11 years old right now.
9. I got
Right
10.
now? 9, yeah.
That 10 December.
You know, Jabba's not that's serious. I will be a child this year.
So yes, internet. So when I come on and say I'm afraid of Varnin, that's not the case. I just not feel like say me fi follow her up and try this her. To a me though. When I call it I guess I'm a conscience about me then. Simple as that.
Why can you hear Vanny?
Huh?
Why can you hear?
There.
Why can you hear? You hear?
Yeah.
Kind of stiff on the ball that you just do it.
Lord God.
And he put too much spritz tonight.
So you know, go to yours.
Anytime you come Jamaica, make me deal with the ashes then. If you can, please.
It look like I know if you know.
Whenever the day come. Or if, well, you're not going to give me it. So, you know, I can't ask you because I don't think you would have given me it. So that's why I say when you fall.
One day when I come back down, I will.
Alright, so let me play a match now and see how it goes.
I figure out that I think I can. I think I can try do up your visa and try, you know, go through with the ashes, you know.
I just feel like she need for making late to rest. You know what I'm way there? I not get a proper send off yet if she still have the ashes there.
Chat, come in chat, then we commercial break again because we have to keep going. That's the impossible with uni. First super chat.
We have a first triple on my team.
Then pause.
First chat. We want everybody come, bro.
Use up that
Please.
first triple for me, then my team.
First triple, guys.
Something
Triple chat.
good is about to happen.
First triple chat.
Something
Who's the first
good is
Triple guy.
we are
triple
together
team.
again.
No shoot pan this time, my darling.
Triple my team.
Triple chat, triple.
That no shoot pan that triple play. Please.
Triple my team.
Go to triple that chat.
Guys, you don't get them.
That no take nuggets them at 22
Jaden
there.
have 12
Triple
streaks,
team.
guys.
Play me team.
That was have 22 nuggets chat. No play upon the triple. No play upon the triple chat. Play upon the triple team.
Oh, fall off, man.
Estelle, thank you.
Guys, you're not playing.
We are playing next. We are playing next. We are playing next.
We're playing next. Wait.
Big up for your money gun, bro. Chat. We have one Galaxy can drop. They're gonna some of them there.
We are playing next super chat. You beg too much. Alright, moderator, fixing business.
Come.
Jabba seem comfortable now in our screen, you know. Well, they might get comfortable, you see it?
Louis, no, inside.
Chat.
One original wild man.
That one to follow me gift for them here, please. Sassy La
Like, everybody will send a gift.
Jody White, they get something there, Jody White.
Follow me gift to them, bro.
I'm gonna start calling them, bro. Stop a style, bro. Stop a style, bro.
Yo, just do pan two of them. It two of them cute. If them there right now, oh God. Lord God.
Leave him alone.
Alright, watch your style and no chat.
Who's the double chat?
Chat double.
Everybody play upon the double, my team.
Come.
Play upon the double. JB, bye bye.
Come, chat. Rich, big up. Follow them, chat.
Come on, guys.
Snipe the double chat.
12 streaks. My 12 streaks,
Snipe
guys.
the double
Weekend.
chat. Chapping, big up.
Glove.
Come no team.
Snipe the double, I'm not telling them I'm gonna play that.
Yes.
Snipe the
All the
double
way,
chat. I'm not telling them I'm gonna play.
Yes.
Snipe the double chat. Play upon the double.
Rich, come in chat. Rich, come in chat.
Real them the team.
Yo,
Rich,
never
come in chat. Rich, come in chat.
Real them money playing them the team. Use it, chat. Use
Come
it.
in. Ah, the time.
You can't mute them to focus. Cha, who got a gloves, y'all? Somebody send a gloves and shoot. Guys, when I make them go with 12 streaks, Jaden have 12 win streaks. Who have the gloves? Boots in gloves. When you really I make them win, chat shoot.
Come team.
Gloves.
Yeah, friends, big up yourself. Alright, team.
Use the gloves.
Click on the gloves and use it.
Thank you.
Click on the gloves and shoot, team. See gloves there. Click on the
We
gloves
are
and use
cut
it.
down back
Gloves
that
and
blood
shoot,
clot.
chat. Catch them back with it.
We are cut down back and go back and tap tree. We are cut down back and tap tree. We are cut down back and tap tree. We are
Catch
cut
them
down
with the gloves,
that
no chat.
blood clot.
We
Back and tap
Galaxy
tree, chat.
donut. Yeah, man. Catch them with the gloves now. Yeah. Pick up yourself, darling. Thank you.
Blood clot.
On my team. Yeah, man. Click on the gloves and fire. Jay, thank you, darling.
Jaden, you know gloves, my youth.
Chat, where go the chat? 12K, dirty thinking.
Thank you.
Anti-Twiki, my big look help the anti-Twiki. Where gloves there, chat? Jump on gloves.
Cha,
Jump
who
on
got
gloves.
Come on,
another glove?
chat. Play a team. If we have
Jump on gloves. We don't give up. Jump on gloves.
Jump one glove, no chat.
Jump in gloves, youth.
Gloves, guys, gloves.
Gloves.
Guys,
Drop
we
back
want
a
a
gloves,
glove
chat.
where
Drop
we
back a
have
glove.
everybody look in your gift basket and drop
Drop
a
back a
gloves
gloves,
if you
chat.
have
Drop back a
it.
gloves. Drop back a gloves. Drop back a gloves. Drop back a gloves.
Like, we need to use the gloves. Jaden have 12 streaks. Jabbas have 22 streaks.
Drop back a gloves,
What
chat.
the
Drop back a
fuck?
glove.
Guys,
Drop back a
12
gloves,
and
chat. Drop back a
22
glove.
streaks. Chat, you mean if you tell me say we have so much 9,000 people on the live, guys, nobody with our gloves? We have a lot of gloves. Drop a gloves. Drop a miss. Drop something power ups.
Jump in gloves. Jump in
Boots
gloves,
in
youth.
gloves. Boots in gloves.
Well on team. No show
Over
now
Jaden,
until
jump
the
in gloves,
gloves.
brother. Over
Guys,
Jaden,
no
jump in
gloves.
gloves,
No
youth.
show now until the gloves.
No
drop,
fucking
chat.
glove.
Boots in gloves.
People are
Sensation.
going to wait
drop.
for 30
Alright,
seconds.
chat.
They do what they want, brother.
Can't bother no man.
Man,
Use the gloves.
Use the gloves and use it,
Use the
chat.
gloves. Use the gloves. Use the gloves.
The guy-
30
yeah, so down.
chat. 32
Use the gloves,
nuggets is
guys.
hard.
Nobody not play for the
Everybody touch the gloves.
Nobody.
Chat, use
Click on
the
the gloves and
gloves.
shoot, chat.
Touch the gloves, chat.
One
Touch the
go.
gloves.
Let me take the nuggets, chat. Click on the gloves and shoot. One
Touch the
go,
gloves,
chat. Click on the
shoot.
gloves and shoot.
Use the gloves. Use the
Yeah,
gloves.
Click on the gloves and shoot. Somebody now press up over here. Shoot up over here, chat. Shoot up over here.
Come on, speed for me over here, dog. Nobody know.
Touch the gloves, bro.
Get
Can select, bro.
them.
Touch the gloves and shoot. Touch the gloves and
Take the
shoot.
nuggets then. Yeah, man. Thank you. Well, I'm chatting a done till it done. So then we snipe, you know. Alright. 22 and 12. How much that? 30 something. Respect me, dog.
MVP.
Rich Amai,
Chat,
big
you
up
know me a
yourself, Rich
favor.
Amai.
Follow this.
Why they
Many
fall
thank
off?
you.
Number one bubble for me.
Adi, thank you.
MVP.
Fuck out in the mood.
Thank
Follow
you, Jody.
Jay, follow
The
Shady
person
T,
was send
and
the
follow
wheel will
Chop.
go out. So
Think
thank you. It
and
was
keep. Come on,
golden.
come on,
Thank you
back
so
in.
much,
Go on, my
golden.
girl, let
Jody
me know.
need
Go
to
on,
come.
big them up.
Suck
Stay
out
Flavor,
in the mood.
at least thank
Well,
you,
you
baby.
follow me,
JC,
darling.
Laugh at
Sash,
yourself.
Vanessa, Castration. Thank you, baby. Boy, I want to fall off, though.
Who fall off? Is that maybe high school that you know?
You don't fall off. You fall off a teamwork. I want to
I
fall
know me
off.
want to say that to me. Just tell him and you have to use my skateboard. But tell that one with you.
Jaden, I just must fall off.
They don't fall off, no,
87,000
brother.
to
Two day reason to
58,000
get
is
relaxed, bro. I saw
insane.
that tan, bro.
87,000 to 58,000 is insane.
Adi, love you, my girl. Thank you so much.
Chat, you know, follow my ladies them in a bubble for me.
So we beat them
Please,
last night, you know.
follow ladies them in a bubble for me, the team. Follow them.
Yo, how are you? If you call me like I'm ever call him. Real one, beg something, the real one.
Chat, follow ladies them in a bubble for me, please.
Where you if you call me lion, man? Let me call him back.
Follow all of my MVP them team. Don't forget.
Chat, use the first double team over here, so
All
chat.
right, chat.
use
Everybody,
the
first
team.
double important, my team.
Yo,
Use up the first
come
double.
send me
Chat.
next one, bro. Them a beat me, man. Come in,
Use
bro.
the first
Come
double,
in.
my team.
Come in, my brother.
Who for power tap? They're gonna some taps team. Who can use the first double?
Yes.
Use the first double for me, the chat.
Alright.
Double guys, double
Use
guys.
the
All
first
right,
double.
double
First
team.
double.
Everybody use the first
Use the
double
first
together,
double.
chat. Money
Go,
gun,
guys,
galaxy,
go,
anything
guys,
you can
go,
drop.
guys,
Chat,
go.
use the first double, bro. Over here,
Money
bro.
gun, galaxy, anything you can drop my side.
Ready,
Use
ready.
the first
Go
double,
guys,
chat.
go,
Use the first double,
Team,
chat.
play it on the first double on my side.
Team, use the first
Play
double,
the
bro.
chat,
Please,
princess.
bro.
Pick up yourself, darling.
Oh,
Play the
fuck,
tape.
lad. Adi.
Play the tape.
Adi.
That double guys, double.
Adi,
Thank
Adi,
you,
Adi, 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 Adi,
Manros.
Adi, Adi, Adi,
Manros, thank you,
Adi,
baby.
Adi, 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 Adi,
I can't catch
Going
you.
back for number 3. We're going back for
Well,
number 3. We're going
pick
back
up
for number
yourself,
3.
darling.
We're going back for
You
number
can't
3.
catch them.
6.7K, 6.7K. We're going back for number 3. Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down.
Oh,
We're going
tap
back
and
for number
share the
3.
live
Calm
for
down,
me,
calm down, calm down, calm
Princess,
down,
pick
calm
up yourself,
down.
my
We're going back for
darling.
number 3.
Oh,
Thank
tap
you,
and share
chat.
the live for me, the chat. All right,
Thank you,
use
chat.
that.
Thank you. Next speed.
Guys, I think this is gonna be a triple. Yes.
All right, so we give Gary chat
Who got gloves for triple, guys? I forgot all out on this.
Team,
Ratted Adi.
superstar
Send
chat.
one.
Everybody go hard.
Guys, who can go all out on the triple? Recharge and share the live. Who can use a triple? What is y'all talking about? Guys, who can go all out on the triple? We need everybody on the time street. If we got our gloves, drop it where we'll catch a triple. Not yet, not yet. I thank you. Not yet, not yet. Wait for the triple. Guys, who in the live have gloves for choke and triple? If you have a gloves, drop it now. Use the triple chat. Chat, everybody take advantage of the triple team. Use it now. I'll be gift.
Come on, chat. Any
The
big
rest of
gift
people
you can
them
drop
bro,
on the triple
shoot.
chat. Use it.
The rest of people them shoot, bro. Shoot.
Any big gift you can
big
drop
gifts,
on the
chat,
triple
shoot
chat.
now.
Use
Come
it.
the team, come the team,
A
come the
triple,
team,
guys,
come the
What
use
do?
it.
Come the team,
Thank
Adi, thank you.
you.
What
Come the
do?
team, come the
Shit,
team.
on the
Guys,
side.
use
Come
it.
the
Triple.
team.
Banana
The rest of
gloves.
Shit,
people
no chat.
triple. Come the bro, come the bro, come the bro.
Shit, no
Everybody
chat.
just put something, bro. Everybody
Shit,
just
We're
put
no
not
something,
chat.
bro.
using triple on the car. We're not using triple. We're not
Push
using
up,
triple.
no chat.
We're not using triple. Fuck, how much gloves we need? I have no gloves. Guys, use it triple. Ah, yeah, 8,000 people don't fuck with me for real. When am I Jabba's get where now? Why? Guys, go. Thank you, Sam. If we get gloves, we can catch
Don't take me
them.
down from the
Yeah,
hotel.
darling.
Little rude. You the box for permission.
Jada, what happened to you? Two year lose?
10,000 waste people on my life. Me don't want them over here.
Me have 7 over here, but me love
Let
them.
them go on.
Coco, thank you. Chat to the follow Adi. Chat to the follow me gift to them, please. Follow Adi, chat. Cause Adi alone over here, no, bro.
No, Jabba's
follow
going with him
Coco
and win,
Neal.
but make
That's
him
it.
lose the ear more.
Chat, they're gonna argue.
Are you girl when you lose your
Drop
black
a gloves up,
and
then I could try to take this down now.
First off, you know we win the series last night.
think we are play over here, some man, you. Sorry, say.
Chap, who got the gloves? Who
Sorry,
got the
sorry,
gloves?
Adi can't get you next party.
Who got the gloves?
Because I have to be 2 party on a hand. Get you type of this, bro.
If we don't have gloves, drop it.
And you
1
get the
minute.
next party
If
on
we have more than one gloves, drop it. 1
Adi.
minute. If
I
one, we
never
have
want to
30
one Leon on the line.
seconds.
I know somebody is said.
Hold on, y'all.
More than my Adi can just sacrifice it in next party on a hand. So me get here and I got one Leon on the line. I mean, know somebody must come here first and they go send me.
Crystal, thank you.
Thank you very much, chat. Love and love alone.
Ah, see me in your comments there.
For myself.
What you doing on me live?
Me I look at people block them.
Them not talk about you and me. You know?
Them not-
No, me I look at me I look for me gift to them.
Anytime Jabasa win, man, you want to stay, but when him a lose, him a go jump. You see, you have to stop.
The same thing man do.
I wish I
One
had
gloves.
Chat, if we have no gloves, give one 30 seconds, please.
I don't know.
chat.
Who is
Party can give me next party and
Yes, sir.
We uncle want Leon and
Alright, watch out on my side. You don't just wall back.
bro.
Until the next match. We can't catch this without our gloves.
Thank you, baby.
Yeah, boss, that was sweet. Yeah.
I was saying that.
Thank you.
Yo, moderator, watch out. Ah, here we go.
Adi, thank you so much.
Guys, don't play that comments on me.
Big up on yourself, you know.
Adi,
All you love
Ignore
them.
chat over here, chat. Thank you so much, chat. Everybody